Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, a beginner's guide to a plant-based diet. If you're looking to adopt a healthier lifestyle or reduce your carbon footprint, a plant-based diet can be a fantastic option. In this video, we'll share some tips and benefits of transitioning to a plant-based diet. So, let's get started. Tip number 1, start gradually. Transitioning to a plant-based diet doesn't have to be an overnight change. Begin by incorporating more plant-based meals into your weekly routine. Replace 1 or 2 meat-based meals with plant-based alternatives, such as tofu, beans, or lentils. This approach will help you adjust to new flavors and textures while allowing your body to adapt to the change. Tip number 2, focus on whole foods. A plant-based diet is all about emphasizing whole, unprocessed foods. Fill your plate with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. These foods are not only rich in essential nutrients but also high in fiber, which promotes good digestion and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Tip number 3, experiment with plant-based alternatives. If you're missing the taste and texture of certain animal products, fear not. There are numerous plant-based alternatives available in the market. From plant-based burgers to dairy-free milk and cheese, these products can make your transition to a plant-based diet much easier. Now, let's talk about the benefits of a plant-based diet. Firstly, it's great for your health. Plant-based diets are associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. They are typically lower in saturated fats and cholesterol while being higher in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Secondly, adopting a plant-based diet can help the environment. Animal agriculture is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions and deforestation. By choosing plant-based alternatives, you're reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a more sustainable planet. Thirdly, a plant-based diet can be cost-effective. Plant-based proteins such as legumes, tofu, and tempeh are generally more affordable than meat or poultry. By incorporating these budget-friendly options, you can save money while enjoying delicious and nutritious meals. To wrap things up, transitioning to a plant-based diet is a wonderful step towards a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle. Remember to start gradually, focus on whole foods, and explore plant-based alternatives. Enjoy the benefits of improved health, reduced environmental impact, and potential cost savings. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this beginner's guide to a plant-based diet helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on healthy living. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy.